Meaning of hexameter.
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 Hexameter. Hexameter is a type of poetic meter in which a line contains 6 metrical feet. This type of meter was used extensively in ancient Greek and Latin epic poetry, as well as in some modern poetry. The name hexameter comes from the Greek word hex, meaning 6, and metron, meaning measure. A hexameter line typically consists of dactyls and spondees, with the last foot being a dactyl or a spondee. This creates a rhythmic pattern that gives the poetry a distinctive sound and feel. Overall, hexameter is a key aspect of poetic language and structure.